Hi there, this is Archie here, and today we're going to be talking about the Equinox 900. First 3 months with the Equinox 900. I'm sure if you've got one of these or you're thinking about getting one, then you've started to think about the different settings on all of them. But just quickly, we've got field 2. I think the second 2 basically means that it's going for finer coins or jewelry, so you can put it on that way. Beach 1, beach 2. And then gold. I'm not in a country as much gold as the mineral, but that's for those ones. At the minute, I'm in the UK, perhaps in Australia. When I go there, I can do that. So it's got various settings. I'll talk about those a little bit, but I'll just show you a little bit the finds that are found in the first 3 months. You've got modern coinage, you've got some pounds there, some 3pences, some pennies, a few costume rings, bits of jewellery, lead weights, watch fob, buttons, a car, a few silver coins. Unfortunately, I did not find this, but we're going to talk about it for the test with the metal detector. So those are a few things that I would say are worth keeping. And on the right side here, we've got lots of things which you will get exposed to when you are metal detecting. Here is just a few bits of essentially scrap, but good to know what they come in at. So we're going to be talking about what numbers they come in at, so you know. And there I've got the large head 11th inch metal detector head. I've also got the 6-inch scope, which I'll talk about as well. So let's get started. Okay, so basically you need to learn to understand your metal detector, and I'm going to talk about different issues that I've had. So for example, an English pound, what's that going to come out at? $77. Okay, so quite high there. Let's have a look at, say, a 3p, an old 3p. Very high. I've often found that high numbers can mean that it's potentially a piece of rust, and as you start to dig down, it actually starts to discriminate it. So we're going to go on all horseshoe, all metal mode for this to see how it goes. So for example, here we have a penny that's rusted. I recently found a coin spill, so that was more than, I think, about 3 or 4 coins, and one of them had a bit of rust in it, so it was giving a mixed signal, kind of like this. Let's just see if I take it off all metal mode. Let's put it on one that's not taken off too many discrimination, not too much. Okay, so it's not even wanting that one. So interestingly, when it's in the ground, sometimes it's not going to be as accurate as when there's nothing against it. So let's talk about a few other things. What have we got? We've got a 10 cents there, must have been from 61. So I found the 60s often could be copper, could also be silver. So it's really interesting. What else we got here? Oh, this one. I thought I found a Roman coin on the beach. Turns out WRL, meaning a replica. And someone at the beach said it could be an old replica, which I found absolutely hilarious. Let's see what this is going to come in at. 54. So that's interesting. This was found near a castle, actually. I'm not sure what it is. It's gold, gold coloured. Doubt it's gold. Let's see what that comes in at. 50. This looks like an old token. It's got a number 6 on it. Very old, very worn, similar to a Georgian penny sort of style. Let's see what that comes in at. Very high there, 80, 82. Sometimes I get pretty excited when they go quite high, because it could be silver. But then again, this is a half silver, 1939, so before 1947. It's half silver, so that's 500 silver, nice half crown there. Let's see what that comes in at. Very high, 85. Yeah, so when it gets to 84, 85, I'm quite excited because potentially it could be silver. So we're going through all the coins here. This is a lovely one. I found a lovely green with a lot of coins, and I just kept going there. That was in Cornwall. 1874 Victorian coin, not worth much, but a lovely find pulling silver out the ground. Okay, 70. That's interesting. So that's full silver, comes in at a little bit lower there. Let's see if this one, 1928, so that would be half silver, I believe. Let's see. 60. What else? We've got a sixpence here, 1943. 60. Okay, so the half silver there, mostly coming in at 60, but I suppose if it's a bigger coin, then it sometimes thinks it goes higher basically on the setting. So let's just see, that's just the Georgian 1943 sixpence, 60, and then the half crown, much bigger, even at any distance further away, still 80, 85. So you can see there's a huge range between the silvers there. What else? I didn't actually find this. This is a silver South African coin. Let's see what that says. 1896. Love to find a Cougar. How do you say it? Kruger Island, because they are very expensive. 84. So different silvers come in at different things. Now this is a